Your emulator is lagging because you're using the wrong one. This is the lightest one I found. Links below. Let's install it in under a minute. It barely touches your RAM. That's the whole reason I partnered with them for this video. Click the link. Download starts automatically. Open the file. Hit install. Leave the default settings. Done in under a minute. Open it up. And boom, running smooth, no lag. Links in the description and pinned comment. Try it. Let me know how it runs for you. Subscribe for more. See you next video.